Now at 6, many parts of our state drying out after yesterday's heavy rain and severe flooding. The National Weather Service confirmed that in Anne Arundel County, a waterspout in Eastport passed briefly as an EF0 tornado. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch, and welcome to WJZ's All Local News at 6. The flash flooding brought tragedy to one Carroll County family whose 13-year-old son drowned after being swept into a drainage pipe. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren looks at how the tight-knit Mount Airy community is rallying around that family, paying tribute to the young victim at the scene.
The child was playing when water suddenly rushed toward him, wedging him into this storm drain. The family will be meeting with local officials later today to discuss a fundraiser to help pay for funeral and other expenses.
All of a sudden it just started pouring down rain, and it was not stopping. Thunder, lightning, whole 9 yards. And it was very scary.
That rain would not let up in Mount Airy just before 5:30 last night. Water inundated and overflowed this massive retention pond. It went into the other ditch, sweeping the child away. Within minutes, pushing the 13-year-old boy into a storm drain. In pictures neighbors shared with WJZ, you can see first responders with water up to their waists trying to save the child. They worked to pump out as much water as they could and were eventually able to grab him and did not let go.
This isn't one you can train for. It just doesn't happen very often. It took about 45 to 50 minutes until they were able to get him extricated.
And they had to hold on to him?
The water was coming so hard that they couldn't pull him out. I mean, the pressure was kind of sucking him into the pipe. So they did get a hold or get a grip on him so that he didn't wash further into the pipe. He was wedged into the end of the pipe.
One day after the tragedy, you can see the uncovered drain with the child's ball inside. It's in a grassy area between apartments and townhomes where children often play.
First thing I wanted to do was go in that storm drain myself and start digging stuff out to try to, but it wouldn't have helped. It would probably just got me hurt. It's horrible. It's very horrible, and I feel so bad for the family that had to go through that.
Several apartments nearby flooded. Crews were cleaning up, and hearts were heavy.
It's like I could feel the sadness. It really hits home when it's so close.
Just how fast it can all disappear. I mean, you know, one moment you're out playing around, and the next moment you're swept away in a flash flood.
The fire department spokesman says he has not seen a flooding tragedy like this in his more than 50 years on the job. The family has asked for privacy. In your corner in Mount Airy, Mike Helgren, WJZ.